How to fix the brightness slider missing from your Windows 11 laptop. So if you're unable to see this brightness slider at the bottom of this window, then what you'll need to do is head over to your start menu, go and search for services and click on the services window. Now scroll down this page until you see a service called Display Enhancement Service, and we need to right click on this and select properties. Change the startup type to automatic and press apply and OK. We're then going to right click on this again and click on restart. You can then close out of this window, head over to your start menu, search for settings and click on the settings window. In the left hand side, scroll down to Windows Update and you should have a blue button here that says check for updates. Go and click on this. And if there are any updates found for your computer, then you'll need to go and install these now. And once you've done that, you can close out of this window. The next step is to open up your start menu and search for Device Manager and click on this. Click on the drop-down arrow next to monitors, and you should be able to find your monitor from this list. Now just go and right-click on your monitor, click on Update Driver, press Search Automatically for Drivers, and then close out of this window. You can also right-click on your monitor again, click on Properties, click on Driver, and if this option here, Rollback Driver, is available, then go ahead and click on this, and then you can go and check to see if that solves your issue. Now the next step is to click on the drop-down arrow next to Display Adapters, and if you have any disabled devices here, then you just want to go and enable them. So you can do that by right-clicking on the device that's disabled, and you can press Enable Device. The next step is to right-click on your display adapter, click on Properties, click on Driver, and once again, if you see this option called Rollback Driver, go ahead and click on this. And if you have multiple display adapters here, then make sure to do this for both of them. So I'm also going to do this for my NVIDIA one by right-clicking and selecting Properties, click on Driver, and then go in and press in Rollback Driver. Now, if you have tried everything so far and it's still not working, the final solution is just to right-click on your display adapter, click on Uninstall Device, and then go and press Uninstall. You can also do the same for your NVIDIA card as well. And once you've done this, your screen may go black for a couple of seconds, and now we can go and restart our computer to automatically reinstall these display adapters. Once your computer's turned back on, you can check to see if your brightness slider is now working. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.